Oh man, it was devastating. It was say if you was in an airplane and had to take higher altitude and your ears seems like they're about to blow. That's what it felt like. It was a lot of pressure. It was quick though. It was less than 15, 20 seconds. We, as neighbors, we ran around to make sure everybody was okay. And afterwards, just seeing my neighbor's house completely destroyed, I was just thankful, man. I didn't care about the materials at that time. I was just thankful to be alive.
The lights went out first, and then after the lights went out, we all tried to get in the hallway, but the hallway not the safest place because all our stuff just blew out. The doors was locked, but all our stuff that was on these tables, it blew out. The window, table broke. But we all made it into the bathroom, and it was only one person injured, but I guess she left because she was parked right here.
The only way we knew the tornado was coming, the leaves were swirling. That's the only way we knew. It looked like it was standing still. Someone said, run to the back. Me and these two ladies here, we ran to the back, we huddled together, and we prayed for our lives.
What we want to share with you today is that I've been in constant contact with Governor Huckabee Sanders. We've requested the state of emergency. She has dutifully accepted that and is already under coordination with all of the state parties as well as federal partners to ensure that we have what we need when we need it, to ensure that we are responding to our residents as quickly as possible.
Arkansas and the state government stand ready to offer whatever assistance is needed. We've offered that to the mayor here as well as other cities across the state. I also spoke with the FEMA director, Criswell, earlier this evening and have already requested federal assistance, and they are working quickly to make sure that any resources that we need on the ground here will be provided, as well as Arkansas already declaring a state of emergency, providing resources for those towns that have been impacted.
Absolute chaos. When officers are first on the scene, when the fire department, first responders get here, they do the best they can to control the chaos as much as possible. But ultimately, we go in and ultimately try and find people and save as many people as we possibly can and bring them to safety as best as we can.
It's just really hard to see people and hear people being hurt, and I just really hope that I hope everyone is okay.